In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic pick list in Salesforce Lightning. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to know to manage your pick list like a pro. So, let's get started. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a gear icon, which is your gateway to the setup menu. Clicking this icon will give you access to a range of tools. Within this menu, you want to open Advanced Setup. This section houses powerful customization options to tailor Salesforce to meet your needs. Next, focus your attention on the Quick Find box, a handy tool that allows you to swiftly search through Salesforce's numerous features and options. Type in Object Manager, and you'll see a list of objects displayed before you. For demonstration purposes, consider selecting an object such as Lead. This is the object where you'll create your dynamic pick list. With the object selected, navigate to the Fields and Relationships tab. Here, click on New and then choose Pick List as the type of field you wish to create. This sets the stage for customizing how users can input data into this object. At this point, you'll encounter an important decision. Should you create a global pick list value set or opt for custom values tailored to your needs? A global picklist value set is ideal if you want to reuse the same set of values across different objects. However, if one-off customization is your priority, selecting custom values would be preferable. After making this choice, click on Next to proceed. Now it's time to establish field-level security. This step plays a critical role in determining which users have the ability to edit this field. Select the profiles that should have this level of access. By thoughtfully assigning these permissions, you ensure that your picklist data remains accurate and secure. Once you've configured security settings, click Next to continue. Your next task is to choose the page layouts where this field will appear. Page layouts dictate how information is presented to users, so it's essential to include the pick list in the relevant layouts, ensuring it's accessible to those who need it. Finally, wrap up the process by clicking Save. This action locks in all the configurations you've made, bringing your dynamic pick list to life within Salesforce Lightning. Congratulations! You've successfully created a dynamic pick list. With these steps, you can easily manage your data input options in Salesforce, streamlining how users interact with key information. Implementing these pick lists not only saves time but also enhances the consistency and reliability of your data. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you in your journey to mastering Salesforce Lightning.